In the heart of Arabia, where legends are born and tales of bravery echo through the sands, lies the extraordinary story of a man who would forever leave his mark on history. Welcome to our journey into the life of Saad bin Maaz, a name that would become synonymous with unwavering loyalty and unyielding courage. Saad bin Maaz, a proud and noble leader of the Aus tribe, lived during the time of the Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. His journey is a testament to the power of faith, sacrifice, and a love for one's people. Saad bin Maaz was known for his exceptional military skills and strategic genius, leading his tribe with unwavering determination. But it was his unwavering loyalty to the Prophet Muhammad that would elevate him to a legendary status. Saad bin Maaz, you are a true defender of Islam and a steadfast friend. I trust you to lead your people with honor and courage. Saad bin Maaz led his tribe in numerous battles, defending the faith and ensuring the safety of his people. His charisma and strategic brilliance earned him respect among his allies and fear among his enemies. But it was during the Battle of the Trench that Saad bin Maaz's unwavering loyalty would be put to the ultimate test. As the enemy forces surrounded Medina, the Prophet Muhammad and his companions dug a trench to fortify their defenses. Despite the difficult conditions, Saad bin Maaz stood by the Prophet's side, inspiring his fellow warriors to fight fearlessly. Saad bin Maaz, you are the backbone of this resistance. Your unwavering commitment will be etched in history. Saad bin Maaz's leadership and bravery during the Battle of the Trench turned the tide of the war. His remarkable dedication and sacrifice led to the eventual victory of the Muslims. Saad bin Maaz's valor and loyalty did not go unnoticed. The Prophet Muhammad himself honored him, saying, "The throne of Allah shook upon the death of Saad bin Maaz." Saad bin Maaz's legacy lives on, inspiring generations with his unwavering loyalty and love for Islam. His story teaches us the power of sacrifice and devotion, reminding us that true heroes are born in the crucible of trials and tribulations. Subscribe us on YouTube. Educate yourself with Islamic knowledge. Just Urdu, English, Quran translations available on our page.